Yo, welcome back to another episode of Kicking It with Mers. Make sure to like, subscribe, share, drop a comment, whatever it is that you choose to do on my channel, man. Make sure you drop in and show some love to your boy, man, all right? We're bringing you today's episode from World Food Truck here in Kissimmee, Florida, all right? If you don't know about World Food Truck, Google it, YouTube it, or stick around on my channel and I'll show you what World Food Truck is about, right? Pretty much, World Food Truck have a bunch of food trucks and food from around the world, right? Mostly from the Caribbean, Puerto Rico, Dominican Republic. I would say there's Peruvian food here. There's food here from around the world. World Food Truck. So I'm gonna try to get as much food trucks, get to as much food trucks as I can, and buy as much as I can and stuff my face as much as I can for you guys. So let's get to it. All right. We're here at this beautiful all Puerto Rican attire. Anything you could think of about Puerto Rico, they have it in this store. Every single thing, I'm telling you. So of course, you know, like I said, my father-in-law's in town, right? And he had to come. My mother-in-law had to come out, and they wanted to see this store and possibly, you know, get some merch to take back to New Jersey for my brother-in-law and stuff. And yeah, so just bear with me. We'll get to the food in a few. In the meantime, there's a lot of items here you could buy. A lot. It's packed. Anything Puerto Rico. Nice. My father-in-law is looking for Domino's. Mom wants some Domino's. Domino's. You find it? Which one? Let me see. I would get
that size, right?
Yeah, get that one right there. That's fine. Zoe? Give me 1 second, baby. But yeah, the store has everything. Get all your license plate. I'm telling you, man. They got every village, every town license plate here for Puerto Rico. Got hats here. It's like Puerto Rico galore up in here. These are official. I think my father-in-law, they're from Lares. Should ask him. Let me see. Let me verify that. Bae, your dad is from Lares, right? Lares?
Estamos adentro del sitio.
So we just came outside, and we're gonna go look for some food, man. I'm hungry. My wife is hungry. My kid's hungry. We came here hungry, so we're gonna look for some food. My in-laws caught up with his sister while he was here, so they're catching up over there, and we're gonna take a walk over here. There you go.
Here's a song. Yeah, here's a song.
What's up, babe? That's what you want? I thought you want some food. Look, there's sushi over there. So we just got separated from my in-laws real quick. Where we find them? Oh, this looks good. I might have to try these tacos. Alright, so obviously, you know, when you're surrounded by so much food, you cannot make up your mind. And we're still gonna cruise around until we find a spot, a food truck where we want to try the food. From where? From where? No, we can't. This is like our 4th time here, and
Over there, mofongo, over there, mofongo.
it's everywhere. So you gotta, like, you know.
This is mofongo.
Yeah.
Oh, like Puerto Rican.
All right, so
Yeah, pero Bencha no come carne de cerdo.
let me see. My in-laws wanted mofongo, so let's see.
De barro.
Let's see what we're gonna get here. What do we got here?
Camarones al salsa.
Perdón, 83, 84,
That's what you want?
piña colada, 83, 84, 83, 84.
Come across here. Like I said, there's more trucks that go all the way back there, man. Like, this place is packed. Every corner you could think of a food truck in here, they got one. And everybody got a little twist. And I guess everybody cooks the same. Mostly the food is like typical, but everybody got their twists and their flavors and the way how they cook their food. So whoever got the most flavor, that's where I'm going with today, man. Flavor, as always, right? Who want to eat dead, like, not dead food? Who want to eat food without no flavor?
It's hard to choose a lot of junk here, you know? But I want you to start see what you're going to eat too.
No, I'm fine.
I'm already hungry. No, you're hungry too. Hey, come on.
I think my father-in-law wants mofongo, so we found one mofongo truck. We're trying to see if we can find a next mofongo truck, and if we can, then we're gonna see what they have. This way or that way? Okay, cool. All right, so we're gonna go this way, right? Let's see what they have over here. Damn, I could sure go for, yeah, an espresso shot right now. Yeah, double. Double would be nice. Yeah. So, a double. So look, over here.
Yes, milk.
Over here. Oh, come on.
Maybe coffee here. The coffee here.
Yeah, that's the coffee. But over here is where I was telling you they got the Puerto Rican Chinese.
The Puerto Rico.
Chinese right here.
Oh.
See? So this is a food truck that serves Puerto Rican Chinese. This is another taco spot. Oh man, this, like I said, man, I'm gonna get stuffed tonight. I'll go home in my belly and we'll shit my guts out tonight. You know, they say, well, sweet I am out. I ain't gonna say the rest. If y'all watch, you should know. I'm gonna go get my double shot of espresso. Huh?
Happy birthday, she got the tiara on, her little style.
Oh, it's her birthday?
Yeah, she got I took whatever you eat.
Hey, you eat too?
What do you want?
Mofongo con fish.
Mofongo con fish? Alright, where are we gonna go get it? Show me. You find it?
Yeah, over there.
Okay. My father-in-law found what he want. Man want mofongo con fish. Oh, that's what you want? Alright.
Mofongo con fish, el sale,
That one looks good.
aguacate. This is maybe ceviche. That's so powerful.
So this is what you're gonna get?
Soup.
You're gonna get this one?
Yeah.
Okay.
This is soup.
I think you got an order over there.
This is good too. It's soup.
The soup, right?
Yeah. Pero the fish. You know eat the fish? The fish?
Yeah. You can try it.
Over
You
there.
get that and I'll get something else. But you get this. Is this what you want? You get that.
Chilito. Mofongo.
You came hungry, right?
Huh?
You
Yeah,
hungry, right? Alright. His father-in-law came hungry, he said, here. This chop can eat too, bro. You can eat.
Wait for the
It's chop
coffee,
belly.
no?
It's chop belly long, I tell you. Huh?
Wait for coffee.
Yeah.
Now they coming. When they're ready,
Okay,
coming.
let's go back over there. All right, so we know you want to go see over here and see what they have here while they wait for the coffee. They're gonna give us a call. See, they got mofongo here too.
Yeah, but the meat.
The last time I came, remember I told you for the plátano maduro? I got it from here. Yeah, I gotten that one first.
Taco de mofongo.
Oh yeah, that looks good. Mofongo roll.
Uh-huh.
Oh man. You gonna try something from here?
Huh?
You gonna try something from here? Later? I'm telling you, man, this place is packed with different options of food. All right, so let's go back that way and get the coffee, and then we'll make up our mind. You ask me belly full here right now, just by watching them food, and not even picking out something, belly get full. Huh? Look, more. More food, more food.
More food.
Just a double shot espresso, no sugar.
Make it simple. A double shot, just like me.
Mers, are they selling a pina colada over here?
I don't know.
No?
It's a coffee.
I don't know. Maybe we just gotta walk around and see. How does that smell? Huh? Smell it. Huh? Smells yummy. Smells real yummy.
Espresso.
Smell it.
I know. Heavy the coffee.
Huh?
The coffee, it smells good.
The aroma on this, dope. Real dope. Been craving that for like the last 3 hours. Dope.
Coffee fresh. Coffee fresh.
Yeah, it's fresh. For sure. It's very hot.
Huele bueno.
Take your time.
¿Y por qué? Poquito.
Yeah, poquito.
No lo hizo ya.
Ooh, this is strong. This one's special.
I know.
Strong,
Today-
right?
Today no sleep.
No sleep. No sleep after this.
Bathroom break.
Alright, man. I waiting for these people. We gotta go back right way back inside. Watch out, buddy. Sorry. Watch out. Why are you gonna push me, man? You pushed me right into the person behind me. Huh? You pushed me right into the person behind me. What's wrong? You tired? Huh? You tired? You giving me kisses? Well, you tired. You wanna go home? So,
She got like the one.
what's that? What's that?
Shot, right?
What's that?
That's a shot. With 1 ounce of milk.
Well, it's fresh. It's fresh coffee beans, so it's gonna taste strong. It's gonna be fresh. That's why the aroma is so strong, you know. You can go right here. Oh.
Let me just hold his hat and hold it.
All right. So we made up our minds. My father-in-law is gonna get mofongo with fish, pescado. My wife is gonna get herself a burger from one of these food cart vendors. I'm not sure which one, but she want a fry egg top your burger. So we gotta find a spot where we could get a fry egg on top of her burger, right? And my mother-in-law and myself, I think we're gonna settle for tacos. So we gotta head straight to that food truck in the back where we was at before.
Is that right there, right?
This place is packed, man. It gets busier and busier. Every corner you look, more people are coming. Yeah, so if you ever come to visit Florida and you're in the Kissimmee area, make sure you come out and check our World Food Truck, man. It's definitely worth it. If you love food, like I do, definitely come out and try all these different food trucks, man. Grab something from each one of them, sit down, gain a few pounds, record it, and live to tell about it, just like I am, right? What are you gonna do? One life to live.
I mean, when you go enjoy it, but everything.
Go order. Aquí.
Yeah. Son 6, ¿no?
Yeah.
Dice marisco, dice. Oh, porque tiene camarones.
Oh yeah.
Mofongo con pescado. 2.
Oh, Finally ordered it already. I want to taste it when it comes out, so I'm definitely gonna, you know, jump in there for sure.
¿Cuánto se tarda?
It's the traffic coming in over here in this little gap. But about 20 minutes, that's fine.
What are the kids' pool over there in that corner?
So they got the sushi spot right here we don't really go to.
Elsa,
Uh-huh.
one hello para cuando estés
A
ready.
buzzer. You're gonna give him a
Oh,
buzzer.
okay, yeah, see, no problem. Yeah, we'll go get the other stuff.
They changed that. I think this is no.
All right, so the chicken tenders, where you want to get it from?
Right there.
Oh, all the way in the back, right? Okay, you want to take a walk?
Ven ahora. Ay, yo me lo pongo yo.
You could go this way, straight ahead. All right, so final place is order,
He's gonna wait.
and we're gonna go over here and grab the kids' chicken tenders and fries. Yo, they need a curry truck up in here, man. Yeah, a curry truck, a cook-up truck, oxtail truck. You gotta get some of our type of food up in here. Or open up your own one. Alright, so we're gonna get some chicken tenders here. Alright, so. What do you want, Mama?
Chicken tender.
Chicken nuggets? Alright, okay. So, I'm telling you, this place gets packed. Look, this is the parking lot, and the parking lot extends all the way back there, right? And then it wraps around all this, like 3-4 rows back. And you could just bust through right here like this. And boom, you're inside. All right, so we're looking for the truck that sells the burgers with the fried eggs on top. All right, so I believe it's back this way. Let me go see. Gonna be busting through. Hold on, baby. You want to say something? Let me see. What do you want to say?
I'm gonna get a smoothie.
Smoothie.
Yeah. Girl.
You gonna take 2 sips of that smoothie?
No, I'm taking one.
It's okay. Go ahead, baby. You're gonna take 2 sips of that smoothie and then you're gonna throw it out in the garbage. All right, come on. Let's see. Is it this one right here? This one right here, look. Excuse me. All right, so it's not this one. What about that? Oh, right there behind you, past it. Okay, so come on.
Hold on, daddy hand.
Come on, sweetheart.
Something with your holding.
It's like inside.
So let's go this way, right there, maybe. Yeah, I know. Later.
Maybe this one.
No, right there.
No, it's in a big truck.
Oh, it was a small one?
Yeah, I think this
Okay, right. Oh, right here. The arepa spot, next to the Mediterranean spot. Yeah, right here. Yep. All right, so now we're gonna order
one was it?
wifey's
Evelyn, toma pacha.
food.
A veces.
I don't know what she wants, but that egg thing what she wants, you know, cookie did. Oh yeah, it's right there. You heard?
Y ella no quiere pancha.
Es que yo no tengo.
This what you want, right?
Which one? Was it
I said I didn't know what she want, but this what she want right here. This right here, right?
placata?
Yeah. That one got the pork egg in the bottom. You see it?
Oh yeah. Okay, yeah. And no bacon.
All right. So that's what you're getting, right?
Yeah, I think that was
All
it.
right. So that's what she's gonna get, and then I gotta go get my tacos. I think I got something from here last time, right?
Yeah, it's the same thing.
I think I got something from here last time. I wasn't sure what it was. How it even tastes. I can't even remember, but I remember being right here. Alright, she gonna place her order. Then we gonna walk over and place my order somewhere. But like I said, big crowd, big crowd here. You guys good? Hello. You're gonna eat it too? You're gonna try it?
No, I'm
Why not?
You guys. No, because I got my own food already. Thank you. I got it. Check out.
What you got?
Huh?
What you got? Oh, you're gonna share?
I got the mofongo with the fish.
Okay, so that's what you're gonna share with Poppy. All right, no problem.
That's why I said I want to treat you guys.
All right, so we're on the hunt for my food now. I want some tacos, so we're going to try to locate one of the, I guess by looks, whichever one get the longest line is the one I'm going with, right? And so far, this one over here is the one which get the longest line. I've been eyeing this spot since we got here, so we're going to give it a shot. Go, babe. We're going to give this spot a shot right here. Let me get the name. I'm gonna walk around and join the line, but we're gonna give La Culmina Barrera a shot. What's that? You still have to come back here. Whether you cut in the front or the back. None of your tags are going off?
No, not yet.
Okay. Well, they got a Dominican chimney spot right there too. Come back another weekend and try that, the chimney spot. All right. Let me see. Like I said, they got this Dominican chimney spot right here. Then they got. I got this spot right here. Got mofongo. This one looks good. Escabeche?
Yeah, cabeche.
All right.
Mollejita con guineo, yeah.
Yeah, it don't look like yours, but it is. That is it. Got ice cream over here. Damn. I know this shit got my mouth. That shit got my mouth all fucked up right now.
Yeah, I know. Like, I said, you know what, Mom? 82, 82.
The number 9 you want.
No, I think I'm gonna get me a number 5. So number 5 is the birria tacos. Gonna get 4 of them. Oh yeah, that's what I'm getting. But it's the rest of the menu right here.
You got a choice. You got a choice on the
I know. I'm just trying to see if their port is going to be like full port like that.
I'm excited to try this number 5. I could taste the flavor in my mouth.
Ice cream cone.
Now she getting ice cream? Oh man, I could taste the flavor from this right now in my mouth. Yeah, definitely. I can see it right there. I think that's it right. Oh no.
Number 5.
Oh, that number 11 looks good.
Number 5 is over there. I think right there.
All right. All right. So wifey just got her food. Let's see how her burger with eggs look.
I know that sauce one tastes
What was the name of this? What is this thing name? No, but the thing look good. So if it look good, it could taste good. That's the assumption. So she's gonna let us know the honest truth. You want me to go get Raul? He's lost. Oh, look at that.
Avocado.
That looks
Tomato,
delicious. Look at that.
Potato chips.
That's yummy, babe. Alright, go ahead. Take your first bite. Let me see. Can you taste the flavor in your mouth? Okay. Let me see. Anything?
I think it's the burger.
Okay. No flavor? You took 2 bites, girl. You're supposed to get something in there.
No, I did it. But the burger's already in there.
Yeah, but there's no other flavor in there? No sauce? What do you taste? Anything?
You taste avocado, you taste the first egg, the cheese.
What kind of sauce? Any special sauce in there that they put that tastes good?
No.
Okay, so it's like a plain burger with nothing?
Inside.
It's probably like a garlic sauce, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So, my father-in-law just got his food. Let me go see. Let me walk around and see what he got. Let's see what you got there. Oh, wow, nice. That looks good. That looks real good. Alright, what you got over there, ma? You got the same thing?
Ese es más grande, ese para mí.
Aye. What you complaining? Her fish bigger than your fish? Oh, man. I mean, I understand Spanish, but, you know, you can comprehend that real quick. Alright, you guys taste it, let me know. Taste the mofongo, let me know. Watch out, Papa. No, you trying to be slick, huh, buddy?
Passion fruit, not bad.
It's not? Tastes good?
Yeah.
Alright, let me try this passion fruit.
Pon este, meter un niño plato, papi, ábrelo.
Passion fruit and juice on point. How is it?
Papi,
Oh, he
este
didn't even taste it
plato
yet.
está bien.
So,
Yo hago ahí, yo corto ese. Tengo una barra.
Está limpio.
how is it?
No,
He's coming for you.
así se cae.
Nice. I'm gonna wait for Raul to take his first. I found out Raul to take his first bite. Let's see.
Why are you opening it for? Who opened that? Oh, who did that? Daddy! Aaron opened his stuff. It's not me.
Raul, the fish beating you up there? Is he taking that out for me? I'm fine, babe. I'm gonna be full. I got 4 tacos. No, I'm good. No, I got 4 tacos. I'm fine. You enjoy. I'm fine. No. Okay, I'll try it just now. Thank you. How was your fish? Your fish is good? Lots of flavor? Yeah? Enough taste? Man said fish get enough flavor, enough taste. How about your burger now? Did you discover the taste? I can see you're down to the meat now.
Está seco el limón.
Oh, you got some on your nose. Let me clean your nose.
That's how good.
Yeah, you digging in? Alright, so the only person left to get their food is obviously me. I'm waiting for mine, number 73. So, yeah, I'm gonna munch down and chow down when my food comes. And I hope you're hungry, because I am. And your mouth probably watering, hungry right now. For the drip water. Alright, so I just got my tacos. Alright, my 4 tacos. Let's see how they look. Alright. Yay. Ooh, This looks delicious, man.
What?
This looks so delicious. I can't wait. Can't wait to dig into this. Okay, it's the birria sauce to dip the tacos in. Oh man, I'm about to munch down here. That's. Hold on, give me a second. Okay, so I'm gonna take some of this. I don't know what this sauce is called, but it smells really good. Drop it in there. 1, 2, 3, 4. Empty. And we got the green sauce. Can you get it? You see it?
That's guacamole.
Drop some in here. Drop some in there.
Excuse me, Daddy.
Yes, baby.
That's guacamole.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is.
Alright, let's see. Moment of truth. Wait. Then I'm gonna dip it in here.
Oh,
Uh-oh.
no.
How was that?
How was it, Dad?
Wow. Something gave me a kick. Tastes good.
What's that, pepper?
Yeah, something's hot.
Dad, how's your tacos? Are you sure you're gonna eat all of it?
I believe so.
On a scale from 1 to 10, how does it taste?
Alright, so for my recommendation, would I recommend this spot to anybody else? Yeah, 2 thumbs up. Definitely a 10. Definitely a 10. If you love tacos, birria tacos at that, and you're watching this video right now of me at Food Truck World here in Kissimmee, Florida, busting up this taco, take a trip out here. It's definitely worth it. Google it, YouTube it, watch this video as many times as you want, and come out enjoying all this flavor. Look, I have to dip that. That's good. Everybody watching me right now eat.
Hello.
Alright, so it's wifey turn to try this birria taco. Let's see what she could get out of it. Let me see.
Are we just eating?
I gave it a 10, right? So let me know what you give it. And let me know if it's better than that burger that you had with your fried egg paneer.
Not bad at all.
Which one you prefer?
The hot sauce is good.
Uh-huh.
Just cilantro, the onions, the mozzarella cheese, everything. And what else did you put there? Some green sauce?
Yeah, the green sauce.
It's good.
Better than your burger? You're not answer the question.
I think I like my burger because
No, not think. We don't want to hear think. Is it better than your burger? That was the question.
Yes,
Okay.
it's better. I
All
give
right.
my burger a 10.
You give your burger a 10?
Yes,
So, so what would you rate my tacos?
a 9.
A 9, and you give your burger a 10? So that means your burger is better than my taco?
Yes.
Okay, alright, okay. So, her burger is better than my taco. I didn't taste her burger to make that comparison, but for sure, she said it. But, I don't know. I guess I'm gonna have to come back and make a next video on my birria taco versus my wife's burger that she got. Alright? But in the meantime, until that video come, make sure you like, subscribe, drop a comment, and share. Alright? I'm gonna go bust up the rest of this taco, man. Hope it doesn't make you too hungry. Hope it doesn't make you too hungry. Hey, before I hang up. Huh? The mango? Your mango is better than that? So on a scale of 1 to 10, how would he rate his food?
Un 5, el mío un 10.
Oh, so he's giving them a 5.
5? Okay. Okay, what about you?
10 out of 10. 10 out of 10. Daddy,
I guess it's really good because you're thinking for words.
I would give it 8.
A 8? A 8?
So mommy's giving it
So
an 8.
it's good? You like it?
You need a little bit extra quality.
Okay. All right. So I'm getting stuff. I'm on my 3rd taco. I'm gonna dip it. And the only reason why I haven't stopped eating, even though I'm stuffed, is because when there's so much flavor in this food, especially this taco, I don't know how to stop, man. And I know later off I'm gonna swell up, get the itis, but hey, this is completely worth it. Once again, if you're in Florida, you're in the Kissimmee area, make sure you come out to a World Food Truck here in Kissimmee. Rewind your video, pause the video, check out the taco truck that I went to, and I'll drop you'll see, I'll drop some pictures down inside the link, or inside this video, and then you can come here and check it out for yourself, all right? I'm gonna go back and try to finish up as much as I can here. My nose starting to run, all the spices are starting to kick in, my sinus are clearing up, so I'm gonna go finish this up, and until the next video, peace and love, baby. All right, so we're gonna go get, what are we getting? Icy? Okay. Let's go. Show me where we're going. Where are we going? No, I think we gotta go left. We gotta go left. No, we gotta go left. We gotta go that way. This way, this way. Gotta go this way. Straight this way. Right, and I believe it's all the way at the end, baby. You see it? Ah, it's right here. We found it. Nice. Okay, go, mommy, and let me know which one you want. The bubble gum? Yeah. Bubble gum? Go. Alright, go. Babe. Let me see what flavor they got. Oh. You want one? Alright, so as you can see, my daughter wants some snow cones, so we're going to grab some snow cones for her. Love it. She got a lot of flavors over here. Nice. Got more of a crowd on this side. We sat over there when we came. Now we gotta go back that way, and then possibly we'll go back inside and see what inside has. But there's so much here, so much more to do here on this beautiful Friday night here in Kissimmee, Florida. Let me see, Mama. Mama, what flavor you got? Oh, what flavor? What flavor? Bubblegum. Nice. Alright, so my baby is happy. This is all she wanted for the whole night was snow cone. So we're gonna end the night right for she, right?